Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on how to draw the human figure. So like we did in the previous video, we did the front three-quarter view, and this time we're going to draw the three-quarter view back. So this time we're going to be drawing the back view of the three-quarter. So once again, we just draw our vertical line for the action line. This one is actually kind of tricky, so pardon me if I even make mistakes as I teach you guys. So we divide this into 4 equal parts. And then divide those into 2 each to get 8 equal parts, just like we did for the three-quarter front view. Right. So let me number it. Right. So now we zoom into the head view. First of all, let me divide 1 and 2 into 3 equal parts to give us the shoulder line and the view. And then I'll divide the 0 and 1 into 2 equal parts. That'll be point x. So just like we did for the three-quarter back view for the bust, we're going to repeat the same thing. And then extend the whole body to the toes, just like we did for the three-quarter front view. Alright, so we're going to draw the face, the head, tilted to the right, like this. So it's kind of a reverse of this one. You draw a X shape facing the other side. So this side will be our front, facing this way, and this side will be our back. Okay. So I'm going to extend this down, and then I'm going to extend from the chin to the pit of neck. This indicates the midpoint of the neck. Now I'm going to extend it upward through the middle of the face with broken lines, since we're not going to see that side of the face from behind. And then the middle of the head, all to the point where the neck starts from, that point X. Then I'm going to draw broken lines parallel to this line, so I get to point M, and that will be N. Hope I'm not confusing you. So like I always say, in case you don't understand what is going on, maybe you've not watched previous videos, go ahead and watch them so you can understand what I'm talking about. So yeah, we're going to draw a line between M and then the pit of neck. And then we're going to draw an ellipse through the two of them to indicate that the neck is cylindrical. And then we're going to connect the ends together like this. And I don't know if you guys saw this. I made a mistake over here. I was supposed to draw this side show the back of the neck. So I'm going to do just that. I'm going to draw the back of the neck to make the neck cylindrical, and then I'll draw the shoulder line diagonal like we did for the 3/4 points. And then I'm going to create the head length for the shoulder. Now create a shorter version at the end again because of perspective. Then I'm going to extend it backward like this. Now I'm going to draw an arc through M from the shoulder points to the M on both sides like this. And now from point M, we're going to draw a line downward. I'll explain why later. All the way to the down. Now this is because we are drawing the back view 3/4, and we could have used this line here in the middle, but that isn't exactly in the middle of the back of our character here, so we have to create a whole line of movement at the back so we can get an accurate measurement for the whole figure when you're drawing the 3/4 back. So let's just go on with it. So all these points are going to move to this side. Actually, we're going to make it diagonal like this. So the 3/4, the point 3, that's for the navel. We're going to make it all diagonal, parallel to the shoulder line. The waist line too, the same thing. Make it parallel to the shoulder line. The same for the knee. Make it parallel to the shoulder line. So now we're going to take our time and put the back view on this. I'm going to divide this into 3 equal parts. Then join these points together, just like we did for the back view. We divide these into 3. Then we join from these 2 points to point 6, where the new start. So we're going to start from. And we join this point to get point 5. So now we make this parallel to the other side of the lens, just like we did for the 3/4 point. As you can see, we're starting to see the back of the body forming out. So now I'm going to extend this to draw the legs, the calves, with the division over here, this way, and then extend it this way. There's almost I'm not taking my time to explain this because there's almost a repetition of the back view and the 3/4 point view as well. So divide this into 3 equal parts to get the foot, and that will be diagonal, parallel to the shoulder line that we did at the top. And then we have our feet here. So now we're going to extend it just like we extended this one. Extending it to the right. So we'll go ahead and draw parallel lines at each point. Do this. Now we're going to extend the side view down. Now with the head length, we keep the length of the foot. We will extend from this side. Now we have to draw the back. Just like we did for the back view video. We need to draw this W shape over here and then create a gap at the back. So here we create a W shape. Extend it to this point. And let's not forget, we need to extend the W shape to the top of the bottom. So first of all, let's indicate the parts of the character. And then we're going to divide 3 and 4 into 3 equal parts. And the lower third is going to be the top part. We put a V shape over there and extend it to the other one. If you go as it currently. And then we're going to extend these for the W shape to the top of the parts, and then show the inside to indicate that that side is a gap inside, it's a vent. I know this looks kind of ridiculous, but hope you guys can see the perfect view that we made in this part of the lens real quick. Alright, so yes, like I said, I know this is actually going to be very complicated for you guys to draw, but if you watch the video over and over again and you practice step by step, you'll be able to draw it just like I have over here. It takes some time to get used to the teleporter glue, so I'd like you to keep doing it every single chance you get in order to get the shape perfect. And besides, this is just to help you understand the proportions. You don't have to get perfect at drawing this before you try to move on to the next step. You just need to understand the concept. Alright, so yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.